Everybody knows what gumbo is. We want to talk about the 3 different colors of roux and their uses. We went from New Orleans to Lake Charles, and we found out that further west you go from Lafayette, the darker the roux.
So going through the different processes of the levels of the thickening and darkening the roux, you can see that like one person had the blonde roux, so you should only start it every so often because it's really like a casual roux. And then the next level up, there was more of a constant stir just to make sure that it was not sticking to the pan and getting a little bit darker. And then the darkest roux, you had to keep going because it's going to be on the highest heat. So they're constantly trying to make sure the flour and the fat is mixing and like cooking through.
And it's like a half a teaspoon.
Pro Start, it's like you can see all the different backgrounds, just not just the food, but like how it's all put together and how it comes together from just a thought in your mind.
This program is so good, even if you don't end up with culinary school, it's a basic foundation for cooking.
With Pro Start, I've been able to branch out, meet new chefs that I never would have just done on my own and just gone and looked them up.
So yeah, you know, the more they're aware of our traditions and our foodways in South Louisiana, because we do have a very unique cuisine, you know, and it's a mixture of all kinds of things, you know. So I want them to be interested. I want them to help preserve our traditions.